What if everything you thought you knew about premium Chinese EVs was wrong? What if the NIO ES8, the SUV built to challenge Tesla, hides a weakness so shocking it could flip the market overnight? And what if the Zeekr 7X, the newcomer no one took seriously, quietly built something the industry didn't see coming until now? They said Chinese EVs were cheaply made thin panels, squeaks, plastic dashboards. But Zeekr built its 7X like a secret weapon. Precision robot assembly, soft touch finishes, even glass doors on the higher trims. Reviewers whispered about it. Autocar New Zealand called its panel gaps excellent, its interior genuinely impressive. This wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. And then came the test nobody expected it to win. Euro NCAP handed the Zeekr 7X a staggering 91% adult-occupant protection score. 5 stars. 5 stars. That's Tesla Model Y territory. BMW iX territory. Safety you can measure in millimeters of steel and milliseconds of airbag deployment. For a first-time player to land this, it felt like a thunderclap across the EV world. Meanwhile, the NIO ES8 stood tall on its reputation. 96% aluminum body. Bosch-trimmed factory lines. Nappa leather. 641 horsepower. Auto Express said it had good exterior panel fit and premium materials inside. Everything about it screamed flagship. Everything, except what was hiding under the surface. Here's where the story twists. Euro NCAP gave the ES8 only 82% adult protection. 4 stars. 4 stars on a car marketed as a luxury fortress. Crash footage showed the B-pillar trim popping off like a warning flare. Safety experts flagged it as an aggressive impact partner in frontal tests. And then came the recall. Thousands of ES8s pulled back to fix a potential battery short-circuit problem. For families expecting bulletproof safety, that's a gut punch. Think about that. For years, premium meant NIO, Tesla, BMW. Now a newcomer is outscoring the veteran where it counts most. In the crash zone, in the welds and seals, in the invisible details that save lives. What else has been hiding in plain sight? The pain point here is real. Higher build quality isn't about bragging rights. It's about a cabin that stays silent after 60,000 miles. Doors that shut with a solid thud. Seals that keep water and dust out. A chassis that absorbs, not transmits, the violence of a crash. It's about fewer headaches, higher resale, and knowing your family's protected. Consumer data keeps telling us EVs are glitch-prone. Build quality is no longer optional. It's survival. Zeekr's spotless record so far, no major recalls, tight tolerances, top crash scores, sends a message that the game has changed. NIO's early missteps, from battery issues to middling safety scores, hang over its luxury claims like a shadow. And yet, the ES8 still tempts with performance. 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. Supercar numbers in an SUV. But when the adrenaline fades, what's left? A 4-star safety score? Question marks over reliability? A beautiful badge without the backbone to match? Zeekr's strategy feels different. Quiet. Surgical. No wild claims. Just execution. Panel by panel, seal by seal, crash test by crash test. This isn't just another EV. It's a statement. It's proof that the underdog can outbuild the giant. Imagine sliding into a cabin where every seam lines up perfectly. The doors close with a soft, heavy click. And you know the crash engineers already fought the battle for your safety before you even touch the wheel. That's Zeekr 7XS promise. Compare that with a bigger, older SUV whose safety score and recall history raise questions. Which one do you trust for the next decade? This is the turning point. We used to say, just wait for the Europeans. Now the Europeans are watching China. We used to assume premium meant established brands. Now it might mean Zeekr. This changes everything. And it's only the beginning. Now, I want to hear from you. Which revelation shocked you the most? Do you think the Zeekr 7X can truly challenge NIO's flagship? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more deep dives.